Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to do some temperature tests here on the Ford Lightning. As you know, there's always been some issues with cold weather and the range gets adjusted and all that. Started out this morning, I was parked in the garage. It was 61 degrees in the garage. I think it was 267 miles. I have to look at the video. But I went into town to Landrum. Got a haircut. Now I'm headed back to the house. We're headed downtown. It's our 44th year anniversary. So I'm taking my wife to a movie and a dinner, and we'll be taking the Ford Lightning. Now the important part is we will be parking the Lightning outside tonight. It's supposed to be very cold. I want to see what the range is with the battery temperature and see what the predicted range. And my goal, of course, is to draw a chart. So by looking at the temperature, you can guesstimate the available range in your Ford Lightning. Stay tuned. We're southbound on Interstate 26, which runs east and west, but it runs north and south here. It's kind of weird. Just got out of the movies. It was an interesting movie we chose. And now we're headed to On the Border. Navigate to On the Border.
Which item would you like?
I don't know why I waste my time. All right, let's see what the other girl says. Alexa, navigate to On the Border Mexican.
There is a On the Border Mexican Grill and Cantina, Greenville, 21.5 miles away on 74 Beacon Drive. Do you want to get directions to that one?
Yes.
Obey traffic laws, be alert and use voice commands while driving. Please drive to highlighted route.
Well, I'm not going to say it. We're just up here on Interstate 26 and everybody's come to a stop here. It looks like the cops or somebody pulled over up here. I guess driving's pretty boring. You gotta stop and slow down and watch it. All this for a traffic stop or a flat tire, it looks like. Oh well. We're now westbound on Interstate 85 and 15 miles to go, believe it or not. Restaurants are not very plentiful down here in the country, so you got to drive ways. This is BMW, place where they assemble the cars here in North America. It's a big place, solar. We're here on 85 and of course 26 miles an hour. It's always slow through here for whatever reason. I don't get it, but it's okay. It looks like we'll be off the highway here in another mile and a half. By the way, state of charge is 198 miles and it's 51 degrees outside. Yes, we're eating. It's a pretty good place. Yeah, it was a decent lunch, I guess. It could have been better, but it wasn't so bad. We're leaving the restaurant at 197 miles of range. We're headed back over to the Sam's Club. That gets us where we got to pick up a pork roast, I think. So let's go. Alexa, navigate us to Costco in Spartanburg.
There is a Costco, 19.2 miles away on 211 West Blackstock Road. Do you want to get directions to that one?
Yes.
Please drive to highlighted route.
All right, let's see what she says. Yep. Goes down a short distance red here, maybe looky-loos, and then we're green. So we're gonna go that way. Let's hit it. We're back on westbound Interstate 85, and as you can see, it is 4:30 on a Friday. And lots of traffic today. Man, we're all over the place. Back on Interstate 26. Gonna get off here at exit 21B and head over to Costco. And we're parked here at Costco. As you can see, another big box store. And we have another basket full. Yeah, look at all that stuff. Green beans are for Luna, the dog. All right, got to get some bacon, and we're hitting the road. The truck's loaded with all our goodies. 169 miles. We're some 20-some miles south of the house, and we're heading back. Let's go. Northbound on 26. Well, look at that animation. Passenger door ajar. I had no idea this was a English vehicle, right-hand drive. We are home. It's been a good day. Hanging out with my wife on my 44th wedding anniversary. 117 miles of range left over. And if I click the main screen here, we can see what's left in the battery. 45%. All right, so tonight we're going to run a cold test. That'll be in the next upcoming videos, so stay tuned. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. You don't want to miss anything coming up. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.